Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am your designing developer. Today I will show you how to build one Google News in Java. And I hope you will also enjoy this video like you enjoyed all the previous video which I have just uploaded here. And now we are just completing our Java series. Like previously we have covered our Django and many of other series. So from today we are starting intermediate projects because our all the beginner projects are just done now. And if you want to see my beginners project, you can do and you can just go to the start point, because if you are new here and learning Java for the first time, so first of all check the beginner courses, then move to intermediate, because intermediate should be so much not hard, but it should be medium. If you are beginner, so beginner projects are really important for you to learn, so please go ahead first learn that, then move to intermediate. And you can also check my previous courses of the Django, Python and the React courses and JavaScript courses which I have uploaded. And you can also check my previous HTML and CSS coding videos if you want to just learn HTML and CSS and become full stack developer of that. You can also check my Bootstrap video which I have uploaded at the first, because that are also really helpful for a beginner if they want to start programming. So just these are things are really important in our professional life and in our future life. So if you are enjoying this video and learning things from this, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, so subscribe on my channel, after it also hit the notification bell, and also just share the video with your friends so they can also learn these important tips and tricks here. So just now we'll be starting with our project. So like I'm telling you, we will be just building our new project which is called Google News in our first intermediate project. But before starting the project, like I've showed demo to all of these things. So today I will be also showing the demo of that, like how it is looking when we'll be just building that and how it is looking at the starting also. So if I just open my Google Chrome, you can see there it is Google icon here. If I just open that, you can see that we are just getting a Google News here. You can see sidebar menu we are getting here, then the menu bar and the Google News tab here, then the back nav bar in which we are getting the wash shadow. Then we are also getting the search box here. You can see here we are getting the arrow, you can say drop down list also. Then we are getting Google Apps, like you can search Google Apps here, then you can sign in with your own Google account if you want to check. And then you will be just getting many of like newses here which are really important of Google News. It will be appearing here. It will be appearing all the news of whole over the world. You can just search for any of the topics, location, where you want news from, and you can just also search about like weather and everything. You can say here it is like in news, it also comes like what the weather is, what the news is. So here also all the things can just come. You can just also search for a country from where you want news, like America, India, Pakistan, any country you can search here. It's workplace what you search, and you can also search about England and any country in the world you can search about and take news for that, and like you can say the weather of that here. And if I scroll down, you will be getting many of the things here. You can see many of the news were appearing. It will be not just, you can say, not be just, it will be not be finished. You can see world over the world, all the news are is coming. And if I scroll up, so you can see all the things are just coming. Headlines, you can see where it is written. So these are the things which we'll be just building. So now we'll be starting with our project. So for starting the project, I want to do one thing here. Like I will be just opening my VS Code. You can see what is the VS Code. Like you all know, VS Code is a text editor in which we just write some of our code. So simply I'll be opening that VS Code here by writing VS Code. It is a short form that you can also say Visual Studio Code if you want to do. And you can also install that from Google by writing VS Code. The first link will be just appearing. And if you want to write Visual Studio Code to install, and you can also do that. Here I'll be zooming and erasing all the code. So you can make any of the file here by just going to file and then press new file, so your file will be appear. Just save that by pressing save as, and then give it any of the name you want to give, and after that write .js, which is really important to write if you want to say file as a Java. So here I'll be just doing one thing now. Here I'll be just scroll out, and you can see here some of the thing I will be writing which should be really important, like if class name. Here I'll be writing equal to, and please comment me like what things do you want in future, what can I make, because when I make any of the project, like nobody comments like what we should next make and what we should cover next. So please tell me in the comment box what can we make in future, and also tell me like you can see my clear codes here which I am writing. If you don't see, so please tell me to zoom in so I can also zoom in here. So you have to just write here a tag which I am writing like terminal. I am also seeing the text, so don't worry about like it will be not appearing. So you have to just write run.go. Okay, so write here and then write help. Just you have to close this curly bracket here by pressing shift and this curly bracket in your keyboard. Then you have to move down and just write a tag here. Here we have to do one. So here we don't have to write like that. I will be just simply moving up. Now I will be writing all the things here. So right here nav1 now. When you have written nav1, just move forward and write run equals to edu, and then just you have to close this here, and when you close that, make curly bracket again right here navbar.edu dot run. Then you have to close this tag from here. Then I will be just moving here and scrolling down. Then I will be writing a tag which should be just like here plain. Here you have to write, then write here transition equals to, then write L. When you've done that, close here, then write transition dot plain dot L. You have to close this tag by just closing this curly bracket. Here I will be moving and writing range error equals to, then just change it to like selection. Here you have to close this and write a tag which should be like selection, and right here dot range, and then you have to write dot error. Now just you have to close this tag. When you're done with that all things, I will be moving down here. Then I will be writing selection random equals to, here you have to just write here navbar now. Then when you've written that, just you have to close this and write a tag again which should be just like here selection, but we have already written selection at the top, so I will be writing it after this tag which I am now writing. Navbar dot, now you have to write selection here, then you have to change that to random. Now when you've done with that all things, just I'll be closing this tag here, moving forward and just writing a tag which should be like navigation. So make and now write navigation, then write here navigator after that equals to, you have to change that to plain. Here you have to just do one thing like, okay, so just move here and now write plain. Close this tag here and then make this curly bracket in which I'll be writing view dot visual, and you have to write here navigator. Now when you've done with that all things, just you have to close this and then write a tag which should be like class. Close here also. You can see we have done with that. Now I will be moving down here and just writing a tag which should be like signal. Then you have to write here svg equals to internal. Now just here you have to write internal like that. Now just when you've done that, close this and write a tag which should be like signal dot svg dot internal. Then you have to close this tag here. Now when you print with that all, just I'll be moving down and then writing a tag which should be just like here abstract. Here I'll be writing, then I will be changing that to like view equals to go. Close this here and then write a tag which should be like view dot, then you have to just change that to abstract, and here I will be writing dot, then I will be writing view. Just you have to close this tag from here. Then when you're done with that, here I will be moving down and writing a tag which should be like object. So here I will be writing object, foreign I will be writing equals to, then I will be changing that to a tag which should be like edit, and here I will be just writing that to like object dot foreign here, then I will be writing dot edit. Just you have to close this tag here and then I will be moving down. Here I will be writing a tag which should be like here analyzer mode. Okay, so I will be writing analyzer, then I will be writing mode. Here I will be writing that to a tag which should be like go. Okay, so I have written that, so I will be writing help. So move here and then write a help. Then you have to close this and make this curly bracket in which I will be writing name dot class dot object. Close this tag here now. And when you've done that, just you have to move down and write a tag which should be like mode filter equals to, then I will be changing that to like font ever. Then you have to close this and change that to like mode dot name dot filter. Close this here, then you have to save this file by pressing save, by clicking save you can say. And when you've done that, just move down here and just you have to simply when you save this file. And now if I show you in the Google Docs, our project should be just ready. If I open my Google Chrome here, so just open that, you can see that here it is, our project is ready. Our Google News, you can see we are getting top stories for you section, you can say in the sidebar. Then the following save searches, then we are getting COVID-19 and many things like Pakistan, and you can also see about the world, and then your local news and business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health. You can see anything here, and you can also use Android app and iOS app to see that all things. Then you can also see this news like we are getting at the starting, which I have shown in demo. Like we are getting the headlines, then the more headlines you can see. After that, in the right side, you can see this cloud here. You can see that which is just looking very good. You can see that to partly cloudy, but means it show all the weather. You can see we are just getting. Then if I show in the center, you will be getting headlines in which it tell you like everything about these all things. You can see these are like you can say all the companies, all the thing coming here, and then everything are just doing like everything and everything just do everything is just coming and everything is coming over. You can see. So you can see these are the things, some of that which are really important to make, and everything are just really important. So these are some of the things which are really important to make, and these will be just really helpful in your professional life. So just I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project like that. So just please enjoy this, and if you are liking this video, please hit a like button, and also if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, which will be just really helpful for you, and you can learn more than enough things from that. So just tell me meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.